Snow has finally started to fall in New England. We're both super excited to make something we haven't made in years. Paper snowflakes. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah. You know what's up?
What's up?
This gave me an idea. I think I have an idea for another project.
You know, I was thinking the same thing. I have another idea for another project.
All right. Should we meet up in a bit?
Okay. We'll see you in a minute. My idea is to make one of these paper snowflakes out of wood. I can use a glue stick to glue it to this piece of 1/4-inch cherry plywood. Now we can go back inside, clamp this to our table, and start using our coping saw. Here I'm going to grab one of the photos I have available from an old Christmas card that we had and taping it in place with small pieces of blue painter's tape. That came out really nicely. I think Chinlu's going to really love it.